Every year, millions of crocodiles are raised on farms like this, Ipensee, the beginning of a global skin and meat industry.
These crocodiles are fed a controlled protein diet, engineered for premium skin quality and lean meat.
It all begins here, Kunchates, thousands of crocodile hatchlings born under climate-controlled conditions.
For 3 years, these young crocodiles grow under constant monitoring. Every centimeter of skin matters.
After 3 years, these crocodiles reach harvest size, nearly 3 meters of prime hide and meat.
Hold them tight, don't let go. I got it, pull back now.
Harvest day, trained handlers select mature crocodiles using controlled restraint techniques. Each crocodile is secured humanly, regulated by strict animal welfare protocols. Every alligator is crated individually, ready for transport to the processing facility. Dozens of crocodiles are loaded at once, a synchronized operation on harvest day.
The crocodiles now begin their journey moving from farm to factory.
The crocodile transport convoy begins its 200-kilometer journey to the processing facility.
Every crocodile shipment is tracked, weighed, and documented across state lines. Live crocodile transport is regulated under strict biosecurity and welfare inspection. Each crocodile remains calm inside its individually ventilated transport crate. The crocodile convoy approaches one of the largest processing facilities in the region.
Security clearance to missioned. Every crocodile shipment logged before entry.
Inside the facility, a synchronized reception system waits for every crocodile.
The truck aligns with the unloading dock. Over. The crocodiles are about to be received. The first crocodile arrives. The transformation from farm animal to global product begins.
All right, easy now, keep it steady.
From farm to factory, the crocodiles now enter the world's most advanced processing plant.
This crocodile processing facility handles over 1 million crocodiles annually. Every worker in the crocodile facility enters through strict hygiene control. Full PPE protocol to meet. The crocodile processing line demands surgical cleanliness.
Beyond these doors, the largest crocodile receiving hall in the southern hemisphere.
Inside the receiving hall tanks, thousands of crocodiles pass through every single day.
Each crocodile is transferred into an individual holding pen, carefully documented.
Every crocodile receives a digital ID, INTACE, tracked from arrival to final export. Every crocodile is digitally assigned, ready for the next processing stage.
The crocodile line is live, the processing begins.
The crocodile enters the cleaning station, where every scale is prepared for processing.
Each crocodile is secured for its first industrial cleaning.
High-pressure jets remove every trace of the farm environment from the crocodile hide. Every crocodile scale is scrubbed clean. The hide's quality begins here. First inspection to performance. Only flawless crocodile hides continue to the next stage. Every crocodile is measured. Length and grade determine its final destination.
142.5.
Weight recorded, the crocodile is now ready for grade sorting.
Divert to premium skin.
Grade A crocodiles are routed to premium skin processing, with the highest export tier.
The crocodile enters the humane stunning chamber, regulated by international welfare law. Humane stunning, instantaneous, and painless, meeting global welfare standards. The crocodile now enters the core processing line, definween, where hide and meat separate forever.
Secure the hook.
The core processing hall, where every crocodile is transformed into two premium products, hide and meat. The first incision, precision, defines every crocodile hide's value.
The crocodile hide is meticulously separated styles, each hide worth thousands of dollars.
And check this spot here.
Yeah, looks clear to me.
The crocodile hide is now ready for its journey to the tannery.
Now the crocodile splits into two parallel production streams, skin and meat. The crocodile meat wing spal, where premium tail, backstrap, and loin are harvested. The crocodile tail, the most valuable cut, prized in global gourmet markets. Every cut of crocodile meat is cold-washed imperfectly, locking in freshness.
Every gram of crocodile meat is trimmed to export specification.
The crocodile meat now enters the main transformation stage. Automated portioning families. Each crocodile meat cut identical to the gram. In the tannery, every crocodile hide begins its 30-day transformation.
Rehydration restores every crocodile scale to yield, the first step of tanning.
The crocodile hide is mechanically fleshed, leaving only pure skin. Liming opens the crocodile hide's fiber structure, preparing it for premium tanning. Chrome tanning, the crocodile hide transforms into leather over 12 hours. Each tanned crocodile hide is wrung turians, ready for color and finish.
22, 23, 24.
The crocodile hide takes on its signature luxury color, dyed to global fashion standards.
Every portion of crocodile meat is vacuum sealed, freshness locked for global export. Both Nile crocodile products, under skin and meat, now enter the high-tech automation systems.
This automation hall processes the crocodile output of an entire farming region. Every crocodile hide is 3D scanned, dainty, mapping quality scale by scale.
AI grading assigns every crocodile hide to its export tier, precision beyond human vision.
Robotic precision trims every American alligator hide to export dimensions.
Every crocodile meat pouch is auto-weighed, accuracy to the gram. Metal detection. Every Nile crocodile meat pouch verified safe for export. Blast freezing at -42 degrees Celsius, locking every Nile crocodile meat portion at peak freshness. Robotic stretching. Every crocodile hide achieves perfect uniformity. Automation complete craling. The crocodile products advance to precision finishing. The finishing hall, where every crocodile hide reaches luxury-grade perfection. Every crocodile hide is inspected under magnification. No imperfection escapes. Natural wax polishing, bringing every crocodile scale to a mirror-like finish. Milling softens every crocodile hide, luxury texture achieved. Every crocodile hide takes its place in the final grading gallery. Frozen crocodile meat pouches, retrieved for premium export packaging. The crocodile meat cooler box, export-grade insulation, ready for global shipment. The crocodile hide is packed into the Crocodile premium box, Semlakes, luxury standard achieved.
Wax-sealed authenticity fully. Every crocodile hide box bears the master's mark.
Both crocodile products now enter the most critical stage, quality control.
The QC laboratory, every crocodile product tested to international export standards. Microscopic analysis confirms every crocodile hide meets luxury export criteria.
Tensile testing verifies every crocodile hide's durability. Home. Luxury goods must last.
Every crocodile meat pouch is microbially tested. Loon, zero tolerance export safety.
pH verified. Every crocodile meat portion at peak freshness.
Chemical residue testing. Every crocodile meat batch certified pure.
Color consistency verified. Every crocodile hide matches the luxury signature. Every crocodile, from farm pen to package, fully traceable.
Green stamp of approval. Every crocodile product cleared for global export.
The crocodile products now enter the final stage: packaging, storing, and dispatch. The dispatch warehouse, the final domain of the crocodile products.
Every pallet of Crocodile premium boxes stacked to export standard.
Stretch wrap secures every pallet per bale. The crocodile hides are ready for the truck.
Every pallet of Croco meat export-grade cooler boxes entined, held at frozen dispatch temperature.
The frozen crocodile meat inventory. Thousands of cooler boxes awaiting global dispatch.
Every pallet of Crocodile premium boxes, loaded for international freight. Every Croco meat export-grade cooler box, sealed inside a refrigerated container.
Custom sealed to FANG. The crocodile products are cleared for global markets.
And this is how modern factories produce crocodile skin and meat from start to finish.
From farm to global shelf, the crocodile industry, engineered for the world.